Hi, I'm Siddha. I'm here to take you through our SIH project and the various stages of its development and the current stage of its development. Uh, our SIH project is to create a learning app which teaches the deaf and mute of Indian Sign Language through English and Gujarati medium, and also develop a portal which translates English and Gujarati text into sign language and the vice versa. The main objectives of our app is to create customized experience. That is, our app is meant for three category of people: the student, child, or the person who is impaired, the parent of the child, and the HR or professional use case. Here, when the person registers to use our app, we collect an important information, that is who they are, whether they are a student, a parent, or an IT professional or something like that. And based on if they select student or parent, they will be taken into a learning portal which teaches them what they require. For example, a parent will be taught uh, basic words and other stuff just to learn to understand what the children speak. On the other hand, student will be taught everything starting from the ground up, from alphabets, numbers, both in Gujarati and English, and the mathematical calculations, etc. Regarding the professional or the hiring human resource person, they'll be given a translator which helps them to translate real time interview scenarios, and they will be provided with recommended interview questions that they'll use in the most cases. Based on what they select, a customized dashboard will be provided for them. For coming to the technical back end of the app, we use Flutter and Dart for the front end, and to integrate it with our translation model, which is built using Python TensorFlow, we use Python Flask. And to manage all the database and stuff, we use MySQL over SQLite and other SQL sources. And for the educational video, to handle large amounts of educational content, we use YouTube's open source cloud APIs to store them in an unlisted playlist in YouTube, and they'll be visible only through our app and not through YouTube searches or online search results. Our app works based on English input. Thus, we built our TensorFlow Lite model only to translate English to uh, sign language and sign language into English, so that we could use it in a more effective way. That is, the English speech will be converted into English text through open source Llama models, and the Gujarati text and speech similarly will be converted into English text based on open source Llama models, so that the in future developmental cases the language won't be an issue, so that we could use other conversion models which should convert other languages such as Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, etc. into English, and that English content could be used in a similar way. So that the only approach that that will be needed to be added would be creating a model that converts other languages into English. And regarding the challenges, one of two important challenges that we will be facing in the phase of development is the accuracy and adoption. Regarding accuracy, it can be resolved by repetitive training of the models and collecting real-time data set to train the models. And for the adoption, we are still the solution is to encourage the people, which is expected from the government side and through public presses and notification side. Now we'll have a look at what we have developed to this point. We have managed to develop the opening dashboard of our project, which has registration, the learning portal, and the recognition model. Regarding the registration, we use Firebase for prototyping, and we plan on moving to SQL in the future. I've entered my mail ID. On pressing the button to sign in, I get a notification that I have already been registered because the Firebase has taken into account my registration. As you can see, the registration has been pulled in so that I need to register with a different mail ID again. After using a different mail ID, I could log in into the app. We have a successful registration, and now this is about the learning portal. These learning educational content has been posted in YouTube as unlisted videos and could be accessed only through our app using the Google Cloud's YouTube API. Now let's take a quick look at the model that we have built. This will be the custom dashboard. We provide a quick translate menu here. No matter in which page you are, you could use the quick translate button, and this will take you to an translation page where you could use speech to sign transcript. Now let's have a quick look at the model that we have built. Our model right now has the issue of overfitting with the training data set. We are currently trying to figure it out. That would be the current stage of development, and for the future, we plan on using 3D avatars, which would tell the transcript, that is, do animations that is easily understood by people. Thank you for listening.